The value is, I can't even put it into words. I need another show to talk about it completely. I like to say that WSA changed my life. When I joined a couple years ago, I joined to talk about my new book, and I joined to be a co-author in Voices of the 21st Century. And I had no intention of doing anything more. I was not planning to be speaking. I would not be sitting here with you today had I not joined WSA. It moved me beyond my comfort zone. The encouragement that I received, the inspiration from other women made a huge difference in my life. It connected me with a community of women across the globe, the poetry community, my writing. I'm having a great time, and WSA has made a huge, huge difference. I need to add, I'm a 3-time best-selling author as a result of the membership. And Laura, I have to take exception. I don't feel like I'm working. You ask, where do we work? I'm not working. I'm following my passion, and I'm having a wonderful time.